you are one of the millions of people who use mouthwash on a daily basis, thinking of having whiter teeth, healthier gums, less tooth decay, and that all your bad breath problems will disappear, except that's not really what's happening. Think of mouthwash as the equivalent of unnecessary antibiotics for your mouth. Conventional antibacterial mouthwash destroys all bacteria and upsets the normal ratio of bad and good bugs in your mouth, bringing your mouth out of balance, which may lead to some other problems. However, your dental professionals may prescribe, in some cases, special mouth rinses for you, but not everybody needs it. So the best way of finding out if you need it or not is to visit your dental hygienist and your dentist regularly. They will assess and evaluate your risk of developing other oral problems and will give you advice for a healthier mouth and how to maintain it. Why wait? Book your appointment today.